fresh pumpkin pie tarts made with all the leftovers. So we don't waste food in my kitchen. Leftover pie crust in the trash? Not a chance. Let's make pumpkin pie tarts. Let's see. This'll do. There. Right there. Yeah, that'll do. Try the first one, see how it fits. Just knock off the excess flour. You don't need that. Now it's going in the tart shell, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay? Remember, we're using whatever scraps we can. See that? We're going to trim that up in a minute. Always trim a little bit excess, okay? In, press right down to the bottom, around the edge, okay? And nothing goes to waste. You have great pumpkin pie tarts. You went through the work of making the pie crust. Don't toss out the scraps. These are going to be fantastic. Here, this is the leftover pumpkin pie filling. Check out my channel, you can see that easy recipe. Again, you'll see the easy recipe for the pie crust and for the pumpkin pie filling right on my channel. A little bit more pumpkin spice, a little bit more allspice to the mix. Ooh, yeah. Now remember, don't fill these right up to the top because they are going to bubble up. Okay, we already have our oven preheated, so we're going to go ahead and pop these in. Preheated the oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to put these in for about 18 minutes. Then I'm going to reduce the temperature down to 350 degrees and cook until that crust is nice golden brown. And we do our toothpick check inside that pumpkin pie filling. Make sure that toothpick comes out nice and clean. Wasted absolutely nothing. That's amazing. Out of that easy recipe for my pumpkin pie filling that you can check out on my channel, I made one 9-inch pumpkin pie, which is fantastic. I have 9 mini pumpkin pie tarts, and then I have one Uncle Drew size pumpkin pie tart. Incredible. Boom! Oh, look at Uncle Drew's pumpkin pie tart. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Let's do our toothpick check. Oh, that actually looks great. Let's check this one. Clean as a whistle. They are done. Let's check the big guy. A little bit more time on the big guy. Leftover pie crust, leftover pie filling, great pumpkin pie tarts. Oh yeah! Boom! Okay, maybe I'll try just one.